guys, welcome to Fabric by Singhania. We've got another exclusive collection of Kanchi tissue fabrics for you in nice Paithani design and embroidery work that would be perfect for any occasion. So let me show you. Now here we've selected our first silver metallic Kanchi tissue. As you can see, this is very nice and unique. This is quite a grand fabric that can be customized into any kind of outfit you have in mind for any kind of occasions. As you take a look at the shade here, it's a bit more lighter silver, and you can take a look at the embroidery work. It's done in nice pastel thread work embroidery all over this fabric, and there are beautiful floral work and bird work that has been embroidered across it. Now this would be perfect to create any kind of menswear outfit or women's wear. You can customize this into a beautiful vest. Even if you want to create a nice jacket or anything unique, this kind of Kanchi tissue fabric would be very different and nice in your wardrobe. Now this next Kanchi tissue that we've got here for you is a nice gold shade, a little bit darker in shade. This Kanchi tissue too is perfect to create any kind of women's wear outfits. If you want to customize this into a beautiful A-line kurta, or if you want to create a nice anarkali, this kind of Kanchi tissue would really make you look beautiful. As you take a look at the embroidery work, there's beautiful vibrant thread work that has been used in this Kanchi tissue in nice colors of yellows, pinks, greens and many more. So the colors look very different, the colors look very vibrant on the gold, and it's perfect for any kind of puja functions or any occasion. Now this next Kanchi tissue that we've got here is a nice dark gold one. We've got a lot of dark gold Kanchi tissues and silver and dark silvers too. Now this one falls under a darker shade. Now as you see the work that has been done on it, it's very beautiful and different. The colors used on this are beautiful shades of blues and greens and peaches, which makes it look very unique. Now you can create a really nice blouse piece with this as well. You can create a beautiful kurti for yourself. Any grand occasion outfits you have in mind, this Kanchi tissue would make you look very unique and different. Now this Kanchi tissue that you see in front of you is another dark gold shade, and these are few of our exclusive pieces which have been brought down newly. Now as you see, this one also is quite in demand. As you can see the work that has been done, there's like all over thread embroidery work done on this, and you can see these big roses that have been stitched across this fabric. If you want to create a nice lehenga for yourself or for your kids, this kind of fabric would really make them stand out. Even if you want to create any kind of sherwani or jackets with this kind of fabric, it will be very beautiful. And we've got another shade in silver too that I'll be showing you guys. As you take a look at this Kanchi tissue here, it's a bit darker in silver shade. Again, this is a metallic Kanchi tissue. It looks very different and unique, and because of the vibrant colors that have been stitched across this fabric, it makes it look really stand out. So if you want to create any kind of Indian cord sets, or you want to create a beautiful kurti for yourself, this fabric would be ideal for it. As you take a look at the Paithani design, cross-stitch embroidery done across it, it's quite beautiful. You can see all of the floral work. You can look at the birds that have been stitched across this, very beautiful and different. So a lot of outfits can be customized with this kind of fabric, be it for menswear or women's wear. Now for another dark silver Kanchi tissue that I've shown earlier, this is a silver shade. We've shown you the gold shade. Now this too would be perfect for any menswear outfit, or if you want to create any kind of women's wear outfit too. This also has a similar kind of embroidery work that I've shown you earlier in nice big floral work done in beautiful shades of rose color, pink color and red. It makes it really stand out, and the silver color also makes it look quite beautiful. Now this fabric is quite elegant and grand to create any kind of outfits for any functions, be it for puja, be it for any wedding occasions too. This fabric would really make you stand out and look different. Now this Kanchi tissue that you see is in a silver metallic shade. This too would be perfect to create any kids wear outfits, because you can take a look at how beautiful and cute the embroidery work has been done. It's a nice cross-stitch embroidery with floral work and butterflies that have been stitched across this fabric. So if you want to create any kids wear dresses or lehengas, or even if you want to create any kind of kurtas for your kids, this fabric would really make them look different and great. Now here we've selected another silver dark Kanchi tissue fabric. Now Kanchi tissue is quite the unique blend, because we've got both Kanjivaram fabric and tissue mixed into one fabric, making it very unique and grand. The tissue helps in creating it very breathable, and it makes it more textured, and Kanchi anyways is quite traditional. So as you take a look at all of this Paithani design done on this fabric, you can see how vibrant the shades have come on this Kanchi tissue, making it look very different and unique. You can look at the parrots that have been cross-stitched along with all of this floral work in nice shades of green, orange and pink, making it look very different. You can customize this into a beautiful blouse or even a kurti. Now this metallic Kanchi tissue is in a nice light silver shade. This too has Paithani design across it in nice cross-stitch embroidery, and all of this is done in nice floral work. So this fabric can be customized into any kind of outfit, be it for women's or men's wear. You can create nice couple outfits like lehenga and a kurta, or even if you want to create a vest or a jacket, any kind of outfit can be created with this fabric. Now finally we've selected with this really nice dark gold metallic kanchi tissue. This too is new in our collection. As you see, all of the embroidery work done on this. It's in beautiful shades of purple and orange, making it very complementary to the tone. We have also created lehengas with this fabric, so it would be perfect to customize that along with any kind of blouse pieces you want to create. You want to create a nice cord set, you want to create a beautiful kurti or a kurta. This fabric can be customized into multiple outfits. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and comment down for any details. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on our social media pages. If you want to know more about our customization, you can visit us at Banjara Hills Road number 1.